In this tutorial, we're going to create a simple bouncing ball animation using Adobe After Effects. Import the file by double-clicking in the project panel. Choose Import as Composition Written Layer Sizes, then click Import. I will lock the layers I'm not animating and hide the balls I'm not working on. Press P on the keyboard, right-click and choose Separate Dimensions. You'll see X and Y properties. X moves horizontally and Y moves vertically. I will start the endpoint ball at 10 frames, so I will place the playhead at 10 frames and set a keyframe. Then I will move the playhead to 0 frames. Hold the ball, press Shift and drag it upward. To create the bounce, the next keyframe should be earlier than the last one. Since the last keyframe is at 10 frames, I will subtract 2 frames and set it at frame 8. Then I will add another keyframe at 6 frames, followed by one at 4 frames. Click the Y position to select all keyframes, then right-click and choose Keyframe Assistant, then Easy Ease. Click the graph editor to fine-tune the speed and motion. I'm using it to smooth the bounce and make it more precise. Repeat the same method for ball 2 and ball 3. For ball 4, press P to open positions, then right-click and choose Separate Dimensions. Next, place the playhead on the second keyframe of ball 3 and press the open heart bracket to set the point. From there, move forward 10 frames. This is where I want the ball to hit the edge of the ball. Then move the playhead to that point, select the ball, hold Shift and drag the ball upward. Place the playhead on the second keyframe, then move 8 frames forward. Hold the ball, press Shift and drag it down to the floor. When the playhead is on the third keyframe, count 6 frames and add a keyframe. Then count 4 frames and add another keyframe. Place the playhead on the second keyframe and add an X keyframe. Then move to the last keyframe. Hold the ball, press Shift and drag it to the left until it reaches about half the floor. Move forward about 12 frames. Then hold the ball, press Shift and drag it further to the left. This creates the rolling motion. Click ball 4 Y positions, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant and apply Easy Ease. Open the graph editor to fine-tune the bounce for ball 4. Select ball 4's X positions keyframe, set the first keyframe to Easy Ease Out and the last keyframe to Easy Ease In. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.